Here's how we do a plant-based festive meal at our place. We have roasted Brussels sprouts and maple garlic glazed carrots. Of course, we have mashed potatoes, and we all love the mushroom gravy recipe from Oh She Glows. This year we used a packaged stuffing by Olivia's. I added the extra ingredients and baked it in a casserole dish. It was delicious. And then of course our family favorite recipe, which is a tradition for all of our major holidays, and this is a delicious roulade. It consists of 2 fillings, a hazelnut, onion, and fresh herb mixture with spices and parsley and breadcrumbs and salt and pepper. And we turn that into a crumble in the food processor. And then there is a sauteed mushroom lentil filling. I use white button mushrooms. It's sauteed with onion and garlic, a touch of both paprika and curry, and it's just so aromatic, it's gorgeous. I purchase a phyllo pastry, which is vegan. I lay it out on the counter and I add the stuffings one in front of the other and I roll it up. I score the top where I'll be slicing it later on, and I spoon a little plant-based milk over the top. It's gorgeous and delicious. There you have it, a colorful, fresh, plant-based Thanksgiving dinner the whole family is going to love. Let's not forget dessert. This year we had apple crumble. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to head over to plantpoweredpunks.com and sign up for our newsletter. And right now I'll be sharing all of these Thanksgiving recipes with you.